Hi there. You are watching Gizmo Journal. Wondershare Filmora mobile app is an AI-enabled app with built-in AI tools and AI templates, which are now highly trending on social media. AI templates like this can make you fly. Make your child a wizard. Baby cooking template is so cool. Create stunning AI videos of your pets as well. Let's try this urban baby vibe AI template now. First, change the demo portrait with your child's photo from your phone. There. Superb. Now, share this musical AI-generated video on social media right away. These AI templates have the prompts pre-written for you. For this flying video, you need to add a portrait of you, and AI will make you fly. There. The girl flies off like Superman into the cloud as per the prompt. You may modify the prompt if you want. Now let us generate an AI video with this prompt. The more you give clear details about the video, the more realistic it can generate your desired video. Wow! The best thing about these AI videos is how realistic they are. The Filmora app has perfectly blended AI and video editing so that you can further edit and include these AI videos into your projects. Export the videos at as high as 4K resolution. Try the Filmora app now. The download page link is available in the video notes. You are watching Gizmo Journal.